Shenzhen Shenhu Fastener Industrial Company Limited. Rooted in fastener manufacturing since 1984. Primarily manufactures stainless steel and high-strength fastener products. The product categories include bolts, nuts, SAM screws, machine screws, self-tapping screws. Also undertakes the research, development, and production of non-standard and custom-shaped products. The craftsmanship, passed down through 3 generations, it has become a national-level high-tech enterprise, integrating production, supply, and sales. We go beyond standards. We truly understand customization. A 10,000 square meter intelligent production base in Shenhu. Annual production capacity exceeds 1 billion units. We have introduced advanced domestic and international equipment, including cold heading machines, thread rolling machines, and combined processing machines. We respect the efficiency of standardization while also embracing customized, non-standard, and uniquely shaped products. We carefully select our raw materials and employ rigorous manufacturing processes, leveraging 3 core technologies: superior corrosion resistance, robust vibration resistance, and professional anti-gouling performance. GB national standards, ensuring every fastener stands the test. Forging every standard part with industrial precision, achieving limitless customization through exquisite craftsmanship. This is not merely a manufacturing workshop for Shenhu. It is a modern industrial space where precision and craftsmanship converge, defining the boundaries of quality with precision down to the finest detail. Micron-level thread precision, rigorous 100% inspection and screening, safeguarding quality with scientific data, precisely solve fastening challenges in specialized scenarios. It is the zero-defect commitment from Shenhu. With 3 major certifications: IATF 16949, ISO 45001, and ISO 14001, and over 20 patented technologies, the company perfectly exemplifies the philosophy that technology is king. The product portfolio spans high-tech sectors such as new energy, automotive, photovoltaics, energy storage, lithium batteries, telecommunications, medical devices, nuclear power, semiconductors, charging piles, robotics, and mechanical equipment. Sales network spanning the globe. We go beyond manufacturing, a deeper understanding of industry-specific needs. Looking ahead, Shenhu will embody the spirit of efficiency, synergy, and innovation towards the vision of becoming a Chinese enterprise that endures for a century. Commitment to becoming a renowned brand in the fastener industry, bringing made in China to the world.